What's good, YouTube? Caloric management is an important part of weight maintenance, weight loss, and an overall healthy lifestyle. With everyone being so busy, it might be difficult to keep track of the amount of calories you're eating with each individual meal per day. Thankfully though, your smartphone is to the rescue, as there's a variety of app solutions that will help you track your calories for each individual meal. The apps on this list will help you track individual calories. Some of them are tied into larger fitness functions, and some of them are dedicated specifically to weight loss. But nonetheless, if the bottom line for you is the ability to track how many calories you're taking in per day over a period of time, then keep watching this video, as you're bound to find an app that's tailored for you. So without further ado, here are the best apps that you can download for calorie counting and tracking. LifeSum. LifeSum is a very well-developed, comprehensive, and well-reviewed weight loss app that has a very thorough calorie tracking function. Calories are tracked daily based on your weight loss plan, and you can add meals, with the base meals of breakfast, lunch, and dinner being set up for you. The meal tracking function is actually quite advanced, as you can choose from a lot of the major food groups and common meals that you would eat during the day. And this thing also has a barcode scanner, so if what you're eating has a scannable barcode, this does the job for you. Overall, I found the interface to be fairly easy to use and straightforward. And what separates LifeSum from some of the other apps on this list is just how polished and well integrated the calorie tracking component is into your weight loss scheduling program. So if your bottom line is weight loss and you want to do this through caloric management, then LifeSum is an excellent choice for you. Carb Manager. If you're looking for an app that's focused strictly on the calorie counting function and doesn't have the distractions of fitness and or other weight loss items, then Carb Manager is the app for you. It's a simple, straightforward, and very effective calorie counter that sets up your calories on a daily basis. You enter in your number of calories for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and any snacks. Calorie input on this app is a breeze, as it has a variety of foods that would cover most of your meals. You can add notes to each individual meal, as well as voice logs as well. As I use other fitness apps for sports and exercises that I do, I found that Carb Manager fit nicely into my existing app lineup, specifically because it sticks straight to the calorie tracking function. Get Carb Manager today, free in the Play Store. EasyFit Calorie Counter. EasyFit Calorie Counter is a weight loss app that has a very slick UI that offers some unique features and presentation that some of the other apps on this list don't have. At its heart, it's a calorie counter and weight loss tracker, as you enter in your weight and your goals for a period of time, and the app tries to calculate how many calories per day you need to do in order to get to your goals. What I found refreshing with EasyFit compared to some of the other apps on this list was its visuals and encouragement that it offers you for your weight loss program and relative to how many calories you've consumed during the day. So if you're tired of looking at numbers and graphs for your weight loss program and want a visual representation of how you're doing, EasyFit Calorie Counter might be the perfect app for you. MyPlate. Moving up into complexity of functions, MyPlate by Livestrong is a calorie counter that offers several other robust features as well. Being a very well-regarded and advanced weight loss and fitness application, MyPlate has several other features not found on this list thus far. Predominantly is built-in Google Fit integration, so if you're looking for an app that also tracks the amount of calories you burned as well as the amount of calories that you've consumed, then MyPlate might be the one for you. The actual calorie input is also quite advanced as well, as opposed to a list function, it's based on search functionality, with verified food group as well as specific brands of foods as well. So if you're looking for a robust fitness, calorie tracking, and burning app, then MyPlate might be the app for you. MyFitnessPal. Probably the most well-reviewed and famous app on this list, MyFitnessPal is your comprehensive weight loss and fitness application. Its calorie tracking has been around for some time, and it's very well developed and directive. It probably has the largest databases of foods specific to brands and names that you'll find, and this can all be tied into its own separate fitness functions that's far too numerous and robust to list in one video. So if you're looking for the most feature-rich and complex calorie tracker that you can find, look no further than MyFitnessPal. Get it today on the Play Store. So there you have it, everyone. Weight loss or weight maintenance can be quite challenging, and I take all the help that I can get. These trackers make sure that I don't go over my daily calorie goals, and it's a huge part of keeping my weight just where I want it to be. So what do you think? Have these apps helped you with your fitness regimen? Leave a message below, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.